Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 6th of October. And first of all, national news. Allahabad University to provide financial aid to students for admission to its programs. Vice Chancellor. Fact checkers Mohammad Zubair and Prateek Sinha are among the favorites to win the 2022 Nobel Peace Prize, reports Time. An RSS first woman, a mountaineer, is chief guest at Vijayadashmi event. Rajnath Singh performed Shastra Puja at military base in Uttarakhand. PM Modi attended the Dussehra festival in Himachal in traditional attire. Dussehra, Sonia Gandhi offered prayers at Mysuru temple on Vijayadashmi. Center eased guidelines to help FM radio expansion in smaller cities. AIIMS Bilaspur to be known as Green AIIMS, said by PM Modi. And now some international news. Chemistry Nobel goes to 3 scientists for development of click chemistry. Over 500 injured as 5.4 magnitude earthquake hits Iran. Leicester riots due to uncontrolled immigration, Indian origin UK minister. Russian journalist who protested Ukraine war on air escaped house arrest. Vladimir Putin signed bills to formally annex 4 regions of Ukraine. US military aid to Ukraine increased. Risk of clash. Russian envoy. Donald Trump asked US Supreme Court to intervene in Florida home raid case. Indian origin Dr. Vivek Murthy is US representative on WHO executive board. Zelensky claimed gains in southern Ukraine as dozens of villages retaken. Now some sports news. Want to be fit and in good frame of mind for 2023 ODI World Cup, Shikhar Dhawan. Harmanpreet Kaur Smriti Mandhana, Exar Patel nominated for ICC Player of the Month for September. Now news related to business. No charge for RuPay credit card use on UPI for transaction up to 2000, says NPCI. PO bound OYO valuation dips in private market after reported markdown by investors SoftBank. PNB offered extra 0.80% FD interest rate for the senior citizens. Wipro work from home ends. Employees asked to attend office 3 days a week. IT hiring likely to be cut by 20% in next financial year 2023 to 24, says a report. Now news related to science and technology. SpaceX to fly Russian cosmonaut Anna Kikina to International Space Station amid Ukraine war. Scientists found new evidence for liquid water on Mars. Asteroid Dimorphos has a 10,000 kilometer long tail of debris after DART crash. Dinosaur killing asteroid also caused global tsunamis, a new study showed. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.